bro. Oh, that thing's nice. That's 2000 GTR. I found a friend, bro. What's up? Damn, look at this, another GTR. There's gonna be so many sick cars here. Alright guys, before we get too far into the video, I want to give a huge shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber. Simply Carbon Fiber is a company that makes a bunch of carbon fiber products. And I've been rocking the carbon fiber slim wallet and also carbon fiber phone case for my iPhone. They're both super good quality, guys. I absolutely love their products and I love their slim wallet. I hate having a big fat wallet in my pocket, so this thing's very slim. It has a little money clip in the back and it holds all my cards in here perfectly. And it fits in my pocket and it's carbon fiber. How can you not love it? I know us car guys love carbon fiber. We have carbon fiber all over our cars. Like I said, they also make iPhone cases too. It's also slim, so it doesn't take up too much room in your pocket either. They're both super lightweight. They're super durable, all carbon fiber. So if you guys want to cop something, I'm gonna leave the link down below. It's the first link in the description. And if you guys do cop something, use code NICK10 for 10% off your purchase. And they're also doing a huge Father's Day sale on top of that. So go check them out. And shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber. All right guys, we just made it to South OC Cars and Coffee. You guys know this car and me. I've been here plenty of times. Again, they always have the old school cars, the super cars, a little bit of everything here. Look at that. Another GTR and another GTR. We finally parked. We parked way over in the corner, but it's all good. You gotta come to this meet so early to get good parking, but it's not that bad. Look at all these BMWs, guys. BMWs everywhere. M4s are so nice. All that Fadies. E30 on some BBSs. That shit's so nice. One day I'll buy one of those just to cruise. Why is that shit so clean? That shit looks like it just came off the lot. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm about to be the first GTR with the surfboard on my roof.
I was about to say, I thought you were gonna say that you're gonna buy one of those. I was already saying you're tripping.
Instead of the bike, I'm gonna put a surfboard on my GTR. Imagine? That'd be crazy. Oh, look at that Porsche. Oh my god, what is this, bro? This is on 4-star wheels. Bro, look at the steering wheel. That shit looks like Forza, bro. What is this? I honestly don't even know what kind of car this is, but it's so small, bro. Like so low to the floor. Wow, that shit is crazy. Carbon fiber lights. Look at the doors open. He said name the car.
Name it.
GTR.
It's super low though, so we have to look straight down to look at the hood or whatever this is.
4GT. Oh my god, look at that STO. Is that STO? Oh, it's performance. It's so small in there, bro.
This car's insane, bro.
Imagine how low you feel.
Imagine how light it is.
I still don't know what it is, but turbos too? Damn, it's a twin turbo? Well, it looks sick. Whatever it is. Big ass wing too. God damn, bro. He's driving it like this, just showing the whole engine. Look at this kid.
Now pull back out. Don't get stuck. Don't get stuck.
The kid was in the exhaust, bro. This thing is beautiful, bro. Performante, all black with red accents and a little carbon hood that you can't even tell because it's black. That is sick. This is all me right here, guys. R8, my next car, hopefully, for sure. My next supercar. My first supercar, since the GTR is not a supercar. I don't know, guys. I'll ask again in this video. Is the GTR a supercar? I said it in a couple videos ago. And there was a whole debate in the comments. But is the GTR a supercar? Does it fit in with all these cars? I honestly think it does. Like, this is an old ass McLaren. Look, I think my GTR fits in. My GTR should be able to gap that one, that one, that one. I think those are fast, but I don't know. It has clear taillights. The new wing. These new GT3s are crazy. Oh my god, it's so nice. It's actually crazy to see like a stick shift in a brand new Porsche like that.
Yeah,
it's sick how they're keeping that. A lot of these other companies are getting rid of the stick shifts. This meet versus yesterday's meet.
Yeah, bro, yesterday's meet were stuck. All you see
Miatas. So yeah, guys, these are where all the supercars park. There's even some supercars on that side. And then over there, there's like a bunch of old school cars, like you guys saw, BMWs. Old school Lambo. It's crazy how far like Lambo came from that to like SVJs now. I'm sure these are worth a lot of money right now though.
That is sick.
God damn. That's very old school. Look at the dash. Oh my god, that engine looks so old too. Diablo. That's for sure an old Lamborghini right there, guys. I love these Ferraris. I keep seeing them everywhere. I think they call it the F9, right? Or is it the SP1? I don't know what it is. One of those two. I like this. Oh, look at this Ferrari. This one looks sick. It's like a whole like race kit, kinda. Another Porsche, another Ferrari, another Ferrari. There's so many supercars, bro. I still want a street bike, guys. This is the exact bike I want, actually. Look, this Ducati right here, exact bike that I want. Oh, that shit is sick, bro. The white with the red wheels, I've always wanted one. Or even all red will be hard too, but if I ever get a street bike, probably a Ducati, I don't know. They look so aggressive. Look, another M4. So clean. And the Supra. Oh my god, is this GTRs on bags? Oh, that's hard. That shit's sick. I almost did like a stance setup on my GTR. When I first got it, it was either between like a slammed bags, go back to the stance stuff like the E92, or do like the race look that I have right now. But it does look pretty cool slammed. The only thing I didn't like about GTRs on bags is that I feel like the wheels are so sunk in. Like look, every single GTR that I see on bags is like that. Every single GTR I see.
So you can't even fix it?
I don't know why, bro. I don't know. Unless no one's ever like fixed the fitment, but every single GTR I see on bags is like that. It is crazy.
But it does look crazy on the floor.
But this thing's sick. It's really clean. Would you guys want to see a 240 on the channel? Or not? A Z? Clean, clean. I'm sorry, guys. I need to fix my Z so we can start bringing it to car meets. It's just a little embarrassing right now. Imagine bringing my Z to this meet. I'll park that shit downstairs. Guys, look, you got the merch on. You're like the second person I've seen today with the same one. That's so sick, bro. Oh, that's tight. Thank you, bro. I appreciate this. This is sick, bro. Look at wilds in the front and wilds in the back. Dude spent a lot of money on some wheels. I love these cars, actually. I like the wagon ones. The wagon ones are hard. That shit looks sick. Look at this. Sheesh. Supra. Look at this plate. Oh my god, a 2JZ. I tried to put oh my god a GTR, but it was taken. This GTR is clean. Nardo gray. Is it Nardo? Yeah, pretty much Nardo. I wanted to do my car in Nardo. I've always wanted to do my car in Nardo. You can't go wrong with Nardo gray. I just didn't do it because everyone knows Nardo gray GTR is fresh kicks. I'm not trying to copy the homie. Look at the merch. I was trying to get the merch on the vlog. Guys, look at this thing. This car is so small.
That's perfect for Emily, bro.
Emily in this thing. Look at it, it says, slow is all I know. You may pass me, but you won't outlast me. That's funny. Wow, that is the tiniest car I've ever seen.
Replace the Tesla for this.
Look at the wheels, bro. The wheels are almost the size of my hands. She's like a little Hot Wheel. I wish Emily could be here to sit in this thing. It'll probably look normal size.
Yeah, it'll look normal.
I'm telling you, the cars that you see at this meet is crazy. E90? It is supercharged. It's so nice. I think it is, yeah. It's clean, bro. Just white, some T's, that's all. Should have never sold mine. My biggest regret. I love these guys. I love the front ends. Oh, those wheels are sick too. With the Brembo brakes. I really want one. Should we get one? This shit is on Tesla wheels, bro. That is crazy. Oh, that shit is sick. I like it. M4. Satin black too. That's crazy. Look at the difference.
Crazy how the grill just grew on everybody. Everybody was talking shit about it too.
I know everyone was talking crap about the grill, but now I think people like it. Yeah. I like it.
That looks nice.
But there you go, guys. E92 right next to the G82.
You got a F80.
Which one are you guys taking? These two are cool. Kind of like my wrap a little bit. My wrap has like all of these colors combined. Yeah, the F80 is hard though too. I don't know. F80 and a G80 like, I don't know which one I would choose, bro. Easy, bro. Oh, you saw the taillight? I know he did it on purpose. Where's he at? D36 is super nice, bro. The purple color. This is like my second favorite color that they come in. I like the Howrot red that I had. It's my favorite. Still can't believe I sold that. Look, guys, I didn't know all these prices were gonna go up, or else I would have never sold my E36, and I probably would have never sold my E92. But as soon as I sold my cars, everything went up in price, which sucks. Because now everything's expensive. I don't know if I'm gonna buy another one. until they drop. Just for reference, I sold my E36 for $10,000. That's low-key a little bit of money right now because they're going for like, I think the new owner just bought it for 14, so that's crazy. And that car went to like 5 different owners already. I'm really driving a pink GTR. I put it in a vlog a long time ago, but it has an exhaust speaker. Damn, that shit louder than Hugo's car.
Yeah, he just has a speaker playing.
Yeah, he literally has a speaker, bro. And I think he can rev it and stuff too on his phone.
No way.
I should get that for Emily's Tesla. Make that shit sound like a GTR.
You know what's
E90? What's up? Of course the M3 homie knows me on.
What's up, Nick?
Oh shit, got the merch. What's up?
I told you.
What's up, bro? SVJ, bro. My all-time dream car, bro. Wow.
bro?
That shit is crazy, huh? Oh, it's so stock. It's crazy how loud you can make these cars too, but this one definitely sounds stock.
I want a straight pipe. Straight pipe to
Have
make
to,
it
bro.
scream.
That would be my first mod if I had one. That's just going for $1 million right now too. Oh, who's driving it? This thing is sick. E85 ZR1. I can smell the E85 too. All the Corvettes. I love how the hood's clear. You guys see that? You can see the supercharger in the hood. So sick.
I was
Same
literally
color.
gonna get that car.
I know. He goes really close to getting an F80 at one
So
point.
close.
But what happened? They sold it? Damn, that's literally your car in an F80 version.
Bro, it's...
Bro, why is my car so pink? Why does the girl's hair match my car, bro? She looks like cotton candy right now. So, so that was sick. I filmed as much cool cars as I could. But we're leaving now. Just what I need, guys. I haven't slept in 2 days, bro. The night of the reveal, I stayed up editing photos and the video reveal till 5 a.m. in the morning, guys. Then we woke up hella early to film another video. Filmed all day yesterday. Stayed up super late last night, and then only slept another 4 hours again, bro, just to go to this car meet. I literally haven't slept.
Why you got a Red Bull?
I need one, bro. I'm falling asleep.
And Skedaddles?
Skedaddles and Red Bull.
Red Bull.
Are you going home from here?
I don't know. What are we doing, bro?
We're gonna go to sleep.
The fucking car doesn't stop.
What?
The gas.
Oh, there's no way you're filling up again.
400 on gas already.
Are you for real?
Yeah.
On this whole trip?
Yeah.
So just move out here. Look at Hugo.
We just pumped 60.
Yeah, and this morning
Earlier
we
this
got
morning.
gas.
Yeah.
Yeah,
160 already. It's not even. It's barely halfway through the day.
it's not even 12 yet. Yeah. I swear we're getting Tesla after this. Wallet. Guys, look at me. There's no way we're driving like this, Hugo. Hugo, please don't go fast, bro. I'll literally fall off. And break my hand or something. Hugo, stop, bro. A GT350, I think. GT500. BMW. And a Camaro. Oh! I'll gap that shit. Pushing P? Pushing horsepower? Ah, damn, that shit's huge. Look at the E92. Damn.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.